I want to let you know what happened today. I was on the train going to the beach to sell sodas, like I always do. Holiday weekend, expect to make a lot of money. But you know what happened? I got on the train and my cart, you've seen my cart, I have a four-wheel dolly. Anyway, the rubber tire hit somebody's foot. I apologized to the man. He did not accept my apology. Instead, he decided to knuckle up. The knucklehead took off his shirt and took off his chain, his gold chain, to knuckle up, and then proceeded to ah, ah, multiple times. I'm recording from my kitchen because it's the brightest place in the whole apartment. You like my backdrop? You like my curtain? So, as you can see, that's about there, and I can't really talk. I need to have my jaw x-rayed. I can't close my mouth completely either. So I'm catching somewhere. One of my teeth is catching, and I can't bite. I can't bite. I can't chomp. So tomorrow, I'm gonna go to a dentist. Lucky for me, there's one across the street from there, from where I live, and I've been there before. Oh, that's my fridge. Sometimes we're good friends, sometimes we're too good of friends. Aside from that, my jaw hurts because I was assaulted. I cannot speak because I don't know what the hell happened to my jaw. So, tired. I just got home. It's almost 10 o'clock. I got home like half an hour ago from the beach. That assault set me back 2 hours. I got off the train. I notified. Okay, so here's what happened. Here's what happened. After the guy hit me, I pulled the emergency door release, which stopped the train. I hit the emergency button. The operator came to see what was going on. Excuse me. The train operator came to see what was going on. And I told him I was just assaulted. He said, "Do you need paramedics?" I said, "Yes." So the train proceeds to the next stop, which was La Cienega. Nothing. He kept going past that. He stopped at La Cienega, kept going. At Culver City, since he did not stop the train and hold it there, I got off the train and I called 911. I really don't know what's wrong with my frickin' jaw. So I called 911 and I said I need the sheriff's department because I was assaulted on the metro, which is sheriff's jurisdiction. So I can't chomp. I can't chomp. I can't talk properly. Can't swallow properly either. Okay, so I said I need the sheriff because I was assaulted on metro, and metro is sheriff's jurisdiction. But because I reported the incident from Culver City PD showed up first. They took a report. The paramedics came. They took a report. I refused transport because I had my coolers, you know? I have my dolly, I have my 2 coolers, and I had extra beverages to sell. So I'm not going to the hospital, especially because the ambulance will kill me. I mean, financially. But I didn't. I refused medical transport. I mean, they looked at me and, they basically just took note of whatever, took my information, and said, okay, you refuse medical transport, that's all we can do. So, Culver City PD shows up. They take the report. They call the sheriff's department. The sheriff's department shows up. They take a report. The sheriff's department says, this is not our jurisdiction. This is our station. Culver City is our station, but we can't do anything because it happened in the city of Los Angeles. So they called LAPD, and that took over an hour for them to show up. LAPD shows up. The irony, it was Pacific Division. Pacific Division is Venice Beach PD. So LAPD, Pacific Division, Los Angeles Police Department, Pacific Division. They cover the west side of Los Angeles, the beach side. They cover Venice and Mar Vista and Palms neighborhood. So they cover the beach. Pacific Division are the cops that I'm always trying to outsmart or run away from. Because I am a street vendor and, well, street vending is illegal. Sorry, I'm really tired. It's only 10 o'clock, but I got assaulted today. I got some swelling going on over here. Swelling going on over here. Got that thing going on there. And I walked 6 miles. My normal walk is, well, from the train station to Venice Pier and back to the train station. Santa Monica Pier is, okay, so from pier to pier, Santa Monica to Venice is 3 miles, plus the walk from the train station, which is like half a mile, and back, so probably 7 miles, back 7 miles. And after I was assaulted. Didn't make a lot of money either. Wasn't a lot of people. I got there late. Made like 25 maybe. That hurts. That hurts. So, ow. Back to the story. LAPD told me to give a description of him. Well, I gave a description of him physically, but I just couldn't give him a proper description of his clothing. Yes, I know, Mother. I will call you back later. I just activated a new phone. So, LAPD, Pacific Division. They asked me, what did I want to do with this guy? If they catch him, what do you think I want done? I want him arrested. I want him prosecuted. And I glanced, I looked at the train number. I looked at the car number of the train as I got off. So I told police, I told the rail supervisor. I really don't know what's wrong with my tooth. Maybe it's my jaw, I don't know. I told the rail supervisor that I got the number of the car in which it happened so that they could pull the surveillance video. And so it's going to be hard to do because I don't know the train number, the dispatch number. Well, we'll see what happens. Tomorrow, I'm going to the dentist, which is across the street from me, and then I'm going to urgent care in Hollywood because I'm trying to get that paper trail. So, that's it. That's it.